Welcome back to another day on the development of Desert Merge. I had a few technical issues, but everything is resolved now. So let's get going. All right. So last time I started to I continued with the objective system, and now I need to a way to check or to update if a objective is completed or if the item has been removed, and that's what I did last time. And now we need some way of properly update everything. So okay, so let's see. So what we do? Okay, so now I almost don't remember what I left for this week, but let's see. So this I needed to change. I need to properly check if current completed objective is in spawn items and not the other way around. So I can do the other way around and be the objective who tells the game to remove an objective. I don't know why I did that. So yeah, okay. So update current completed objectives. Let me check if I did something with this. I did not. So yeah, where were we? So I have the spawn new item, the on item deleted. So I have the current completed objectives. Okay, so on item deleted, current spawn items, remove add. So I was updating everything. So yeah, let me check the objective system on what we have in here. So I have the current spawn items check if completed, and then I just return. Well, I just update the I will say that the sprite part, so the graphics part, and that's kinda okay-ish. So yeah, so everything that's okay. And then here in objective completed, we pass the current objective. So what we do then is in my game. Okay, so yeah, this. Okay, now I remember. So I have current completed objectives. So I got. Okay, so every objective. Okay, so I need to also send self. So okay, so whenever I need check if an item is an objective and it's completed, then I don't know why I'm doing this. This makes no sense unless I'm using this for anything else. It does not. Okay, so this has. Okay, I know why. Okay, I know why. Because I need this part. So I need to know if I have found already the item. So if I found already the item, objective completed, I will emit the current objective and self. Because I I need to, but I don't really know if I need to. But, I think I don't need to. Okay, so I'm launching back, or I'm calling the signal for the current objective, and my game has to get that. So I do have objective completed. Yes, on objective completed. That is in here. Okay, so to make an objective, last function and signal condition no longer apply. When objective to arrive, enable to check if the objective item is tapped. So that's for one way. I don't know what I was doing last time for this. So yeah, well, I know what I wanted to do. So I have the current spawn and current completed objectives, and return if that's the case. But I won't do. I don't think I need. I think I don't have to do that this way. So okay, so change the current spawn items to item properties. That's what we will do right now. So it's merge item properties. Okay, so that's one way. So now something has to break because we are adding something that it's not. Okay, so append item instance dot properties. I think it was properties. So let's go to the merge item and see what we can. Item properties. So yeah, let's go to game. It's not properties, it's item properties. So signals, item merge, emit current spawn items because we have that. So now in my objective.gd, I have my current item merge, objective completed, and this is not merge item properties. So now I have that. So yeah, item to check. So that should be still working. So let's test that. So we have the macaron. The macaron is easy to check. Okay, so the macaron is done and not done. Something is not okay there. Okay, so I screw up somewhere. Whoa. Indoor calling from signal objective computer callable by to the reset method expected to argument. What reset? Okay, I cannot do that. Okay, I cannot do that with this. So that's not going to work. What is this? So current spawn is item deleted and item deleted is merge item properties. So on item deleted, Control F. So item deleted, I have this signal. And in my merge item, where I have my item deleted, isn't it's here? Yeah. So body dot item properties and self. No, it's item properties. So that's one way. Let me check again. The macron is there and is there, and it's also there, and if we go there, everything comes up. Okay, so everything is working again, but what we don't have okay is this, because yeah, so I have this, but this is not okay. So let's go to my signals, and we have objective completed, signal objective submitted or tapped, because we want to launch to check whenever a objective item has been tapped. So yeah, makes sense. So let's get that. Let's go to my objective, change that for objective tap, because I cannot do that. Let me check the reset. So I need to do a reset when we do a set new objective, by the way. So we call it from the game menu, I think. But let me first copy this so I can that. So whenever select new objective, and what we have in here, so on ready, and we do nothing else. So yeah, we need to call this so we need to call this whenever we complete an objective, but for now because the signal when conditions no longer apply, let's say item is tapped. Yeah. Okay. All right. So right now, we have the objective merge item. So I need to check if set new objective, check this objective, and here we have the item found, and we use the current objective that is already a merge item properties. Okay. All right. Okay. Item merge, item created, check if item is objective, and then the merge, we use that. And here, so whenever the objective is false, we need to call the remove objective. Yeah. Okay, I don't think this is the best. I'm starting to so this is not the best way to do things. But well, let's go this way. Objective deleted. Well, we want objective not found. So yeah, so whenever it's not found, that's in here. So dm signals dot objective not found dot emit, and I don't think self, no, current current objective. So yeah, okay, so if the objective is no longer found, we tell the game that is not found. So what we do is, okay, so in the update, in here, I think we can do, okay, so let's see, so dm signals dot objective not found dot connect to and that current completed objectives, and the update current completed objectives will get a objective not found item. That will be a merge item properties, and what we do is here, if current completed objectives dot has an object not found item, what we do, objective not found item dot remove, no, delete. What is the, oh no, the object not found items, no, the current completed objectives dot remove. What we can do with this, okay, let's see. Oh, I need then assign erase. Is this what they want? I don't know if that's the case. I don't think the erase is. Once and remove the physical current of value from the array. If value does not exist in the array, nothing happens. Remove element by index, just remove that. Choose every element's index after the remove value back, which may have a good performance cost, especially on large arrays. Recent elements, okay, so it's the remove at. If index position at the index is out of bounds, this method fails. This is negative, position must get related to the array. If you need to return the remove element, just pop add to remove any element by value. Just okay. So we won't have. So this for large arrays is not alright. But if we just have two items in our array, we can use the erase. Also, by the way, this returns true or false, right? Yes. Okay. So yeah, if it has that, then remove that. So this thing we don't need it. By the way, let me do a print removing $S from, so no, so getting percentage %s to remove, and I want to put that there. I want to copy this and put that in here, and we use the objective on item.name. And so this removing $S from array of current objectives. So that's it, and we use the percentage, and this is if not an item. Okay. And then I will print the current completed objectives, just because I want to know. All right, so clear this, check that. Let's see. A macaron, okay, a macaron. So that we have it. Okay, so getting macaron to remove. Wait. Okay, so item is loading. Okay, I don't know why we're using the getting macaron to remove. Why? Okay, I don't like this, but okay, let's see. Also, we have errors. We don't have errors. Okay. So, okay, so that's the macaron. And that's it. Okay, so we are okay there. And we're okay there. And we're not okay there. And okay, because it's still present. Okay, there. Getting macaron to remove. Getting macaron to remove. But we have nothing about that. So this has, it's not working. Current completed objectives. Okay, so where I am like that. Find and files. Fine. So yeah, we only have that. Okay. All right. What about this? The signals, just ignore that. And this is just for the pen. So this is okay. This is okay also. Yeah, don't worry about this. So get out. Okay. What is happening here? I think something I'm not doing right. So let's see what I can do here. So there, and nothing else. Nothing else? Question mark? Okay. So I'm doing absolutely nothing with this. So of course it's not working. So because of this, okay. So I now remember what I was doing. It completed the current objective. So yes, signals game objective. So let's go to the on ready. Completed, objective completed, and in objective completed, if So here, if current completed objectives dot size is different, it's less or less than objective manager array dot size. Okay, this is tricky because there are lots of ways that I can do that, and I don't think this is the best way, but let's see where we're going there, where we're going here. So for completed objectives dot append objective. All right. So yeah. Because the item merge is checking if completed. Okay, check if completed, and we have the cornerstone item. So yeah, this is legit. Okay, let's try again. So there's macaron and cookies. I don't know why it does that. Well, yes, I know why. So because there's anything there, so yeah. So now we have that, and we can have that. So removing. Okay, there's 6692 and 6692. There it is. So we have any error? No, that's okay. So everything, so that's okay. So let's see if getting macaron to remove. Yeah, macaron is not found, but that's okay. Merge item. So now we have that, and we have that, and that, and something didn't work at all. Something didn't work, so this is not acceptable. Okay. I could have a dictionary. Maybe I could have a dictionary. Maybe I could have a dictionary. Or maybe what I can do, I can go. So let's see. Okay. So hear me out. So objective completed. So what I can do is for objective manager in objective manager array. If objective manager dot objective objective active objective, then we need to clear not here, but so then I have the current completed objectives dot append objective manager dot current objective. So yeah, this is way better for that matter. And here though I need to reset the current completed objective dot clear. Yeah, I think that will be better. So then we will print, okay, objective completed are, and then print the current completed objectives. Let's see, there's nothing there. There's this. So here we have two. There's macaron, there's cookies. Waiting cookies to remove. Okay, so yeah, no, that's not going to work at all. So let me see the objective what we have here. So we have the current objective, but we don't have okay. Okay, so we can create a var objective completed is a boolean and it's false. And here we have objective completed is true, and here we have objective completed is false. And this we don't need anymore. We don't need the objective completed, we need the update objective. So this is update objective, and we now change. So my objective shouldn't have the tab. So I have here. So this objective completed is now update objective, and we'll call it that. So the objectives. So we can do here is change that to that, and nothing about that. And then we will do this. So I don't need the delete. I have the update current objectives, but I don't need the other one. This. The update current completed objective. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, so this is no longer needed. So yeah, we're simplifying the signals. So that's there. Here we don't need. So we need to send that. We don't need that. So let's go to bit objective. A little bit of refactoring is mandatory when you're programming, so that's okay. So whenever it is found or not, though, we need to update that. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better, I think. So let's check that. Okay, that's not okay. I'm not done with that. Sorry. So this is a check if active objective and objective manager dot objective completed. Then we update that. So let me check that I have done that already. Okay. Also, I can simplify this by doing that. And I'm doing an item found and the objective mail removed. So I don't need this anymore. The objective completed. And no, I will leave that. I will leave the item found. I will do an objective completed equals item found. Yeah, I will do that. Because I like to have, if I just put that to false in here, I should be able to, let's see, should be able to not need this. Yeah, okay, so no, that's okay. Should be able to not do this. Let's simplify everything. So here I have objective completed equals false. So now I need to grab that and put that in here, and then put that in here, and that's out. And we have simplified this method. We have removed a couple of comparisons of if statements, couple of variables. So yeah, it's way cleaner already. So yeah, let's check that again. We have the macarons. So let's go there. So that's okay. We have called it like 2 times, 3 times. Okay, this maybe that's, I don't know if that's a little bit too much. Because we are checking. Okay. So that's not okay. This is not okay. Okay, so now it's going off by 1. Is it? Oh, it's, well, I don't know. Let me see. No, that's okay. Alright, it's working as expected. Let me try again because I saw something weird. So let's go there and there. Okay, just one. Okay, now it's on and off, and that's okay, and that's gone, but that's okay, and that's okay already, and that's okay, and that's okay, and then it's gone, and it's working fine. Seems so. All right, all right, okay. So we have that, and this seems to be called multiple times, but I think it's okay. It's okay because it's only two. But I will check the performance for this and will make something. Like if so I can do an array, and if it has not clear the array, but if it has already, then I don't assign that, but I don't think that it's necessary for the time being. So yeah, I think that's okay. At least that's okay for now. And that's no longer needed. And we still use this? I think we don't. Yeah, we don't use this anymore. So I have that. Decide a new objective. So item to spawn. Okay. What we need to do also. Oh, okay, how I do this? Because I don't think I can. Hmm. Maybe I need to change everything. But okay. Okay, so how do this? So current spawn items cannot be merge item properties. Cannot. Should be merge item. Yeah. Because if I don't do this way, I cannot do what I need to do to prepare them to be clicked. Unless I don't do anything about that, and I just check. Okay. So I need to search on the documentation on what I can do in Godot to know which item is tapped. So yeah, let's get that. So in Godot 4 dot whatever, check if mouse clicked on node. get the mouse click detection. Detect mouse click on sprite without sprite checking for input events. So there is no need to check. If the mouse was over the collider, physics speaking under this. So RA2D collider nodes which are not at the mouse position to receive the input event. Small demo. Okay, so let's see this demo. Okay, I don't want that, but I don't want to. Extracted demo, and let's go in here and apply that. So I start that. So let's go to my files and look for the extracted demo. Let's select and let's see what we have there. So there is only two. So let's see. Okay. How can I open this? Okay. Function ready. So it has essential unit. On unit clicked, I can only select unit or whatever. So on unit clicked, to int ID, unit ID, sorry. Okay, on something clicked and physics object picking true. Is to pick and fish only. Sure. Okay. I can see where this is wants to go, but let me check. This is not what I wanted. Cancel that. So unit.gd, it's a document. I want to open the viewer one time. On input event, okay, so this has that. On input event, okay, see that. So I have my let's open my file system, my scenes, my merge item scene, and we go to merge item, signals, input event. Like that. Okay. So what else we had? if so, this is what I need. So let's just remove this. Oh. Okay. I screwed up. I need to say document with your email. So I need to do this. Okay, could you stop, please? All right. So now, so an event is pressed. Print. You have clicked on $S, and this is $is item properties dot name. So let's check on this. Yeah, of course. This. So yeah, I can click on here. Nothing's happening. I can click on here. That's nothing happening. So now let me do it bigger. So I can click some good times, but no, it's not working because because I can't. By the way, but this is okay and so on and so forth. But it's okay and it's not okay. So this is not okay. And this is not okay because I could not have that in this way at least. So yeah, disconnect that. What I need to do maybe, I do have the collision checker. So on my onReady, so on my so the collision checker is who has the what have I done? This is not okay. Not safe. Must item remove everything. Well, don't remove that. It's okay. So yeah, file system. I think I screw up badly. We have the collision polygon here. Do I have my collision shape? Yeah, but that's the shape. But it's a node 2D. So that's okay. Collision shape. By scale. position object to the position's body, isn't it? Yeah. So, I need to check it. So, I see. Dot act and use this on input event. Okay, but now we need to go to every single. Okay, yeah, no, I deserve this. I totally deserve this. So input on. Well, I don't need to do that for every single one because I don't need to. Because I can put that in here. So dot pickable goes through. So that's okay, right? Pickable. So set pickable. Okay, so set pickable. What is set pickable? It's a setter. Set pickable. Is there anything else? Okay, so let's put that different way. Okay, so let's do set dot set. Oh, nothing. Okay, so it's true. Okay. All right. So now people. That's that. And okay. That's that. Have clicked the strawberry. Have also clicked the strawberry. Have also clicked the strawberry. And I have done that and also click the macaron. And do that and also click the macaron. Okay. Let's add more. And there goodies. Yay. Okay. That's alright. That's completely alright. That is if there's more. Okay. Everything is working. Great. Oh, by the way, let me check anything else. Oh, alright. I'm putting on cookies and everything else. So what do we add there? I don't remember anymore. So let me go for skinning. Items. I my macros. Action enable. Okay, so we should. Okay, no objective will be an unlocked item. So I can safely say if actions are not enabled, then I can check the click. Like this. Perfect. So there we go. So if not, actions enable and shelf behavior is behavior. Shelf behavior. Okay, I need to remember things. To remember stuff. I need to remember because that's not okay. So yeah, so sure. Wait, the rest is doing nothing. Yeah, because okay. So an event is mouse button and event press. Clicked. So let's check if it can check if clicking something is everything everywhere else. So that signal. Yeah, we have that. Don't have that because that's objective. I have the objective tab reset. So reset. So yeah, the signals objective tab, but I have new signal item tab. So yeah, the item tab, and then my game is getting a. Okay, so let me collapse that and collapse that, and there and signals dot item tab dot connect on item tab, and that's okay. So I create a new function in here that I call function on item tab, and I want to have a item tab that is a merge item, and I am returning nothing if item tab dot no password. Why do I need to have the metadata? I do have to have the metadata. It's okay. I don't really need to have my core objective manager in the manager array. If objective manager dot hmm. Nah, it's okay. So yeah, so now for completed objective in completed objectives if my tab dot name is equals to completed objective dot name um I really don't think I need it. I think just this. Just like that. I just need to do this. So okay, so if you have that, if objective manager dot current objective dot name is my item tab dot item properties name we do a systems dot objective tab dot limit and then we do a objective manager dot set new objective and we called some objective okay, objective manager dot set the objective and it was a item properties and I is the name so far objective is set okay, so now objective okay, so I just need to do this there to be sure and then can do item tab dot string current spawn items dot erase item chat dot properties. Yeah, so because the current spawn items are item properties, right? Current spawn items, yes. And then delete that. Okay. That should be, let me see. Let's check this out. Alright, so we have the macarons there. I tapped it, and I have to the macaron, but so, okay. Let's print something. So, print dollar as if and have print and a dollar but chat properties. So I need to do now scams dot okay. So now let's check if so print objectives percentage s percentage so let's see what we do here. So right now you can do that. Strawberry have been tapped, but nothing is happening. Just do that, and that's it. But they leave. Signal connected. Okay, so something is not okay. We need reset whenever this reset also. So print resetting setting percentage s and s is this I think this is setting a say that is name also. So yeah, let's check for this. Okay. Go there. Active background. What? Active background. Why called objective background? Oh yeah. um yeah. Oh yeah. That is the so that click on that. Okay, well, okay, lots of things here. Currently with that, resetting both of them, and then okay, that's not right because I should not be. Has been found. Then we break. Exit the loop. Because if both are the same one, we do not want both to be reset. So yeah, let's go again. By the way, so both are okay. So I just click on one. Just one has been reset. And what we have in here, background has been tapped. Active has been tapped. Resetting both of them. Well, not really. Yes, no. Why? Why both of them? No. So just one time. Oh, but I'm doing that. Yeah, no. That's not okay. So item tapped dot item properties dot name. Let's just pass the name instead of the whole item, so we can do yeah. This is not okay in any stretch of the imagination. So on objective tab, and let me copy that. So here we will have a function called on objective tab. We have my objective name that is a string, and we will return nothing. And if current objective.name is like my objective name, then I need something else also. I need to have the objective manager that is of type. Did I call that objective manager? Okay, objective manager. So if that and objective manager is equals to self, then we reset. Just in that case, so I need to send not just that, but also the objective manager. So just only one is resetting. Does that make sense? I hope so. So we have 2 cookies. That's okay. Oh, okay. Come on. Alright, so we have 2 cookies. And now I'm going to clear everything and just tap the cookie. So, cookies has been tapped. The objectives have been done. Just one is resetting. Selected number for objective is 0. Objective background is setting a new objective. And now we have that this first one, but it didn't check that. So when setting a new objective, we also need to check. Oh, that's not okay. Oh, it's not okay. Well, it is okay also, but it's convoluted. So now I need to send my current spawn items, and this is getting not optimal. It's suboptimal. And this is because I'm a dumbass and I didn't design the whole game, just an idea. And that's not okay when you're making a game. So you need to be a good game designer before starting to make any game or any game you want to finish, just to avoid this kind of errors. So yeah. Now it's getting more complicated every single time. Every single iteration is getting more and more spaghetti code because of my lack of the previous design. Because I didn't do a game document design for this. So yeah, that's my fault entirely. But if this is not affecting the game's performance, it's okay. And I will give you an example. Everyone loves Undertale. Well, Undertale has hundreds upon hundreds of if statements to check every single combination of inputs, of dialogues, and everything. So it's super badly coded. But as that doesn't affect the performance of the game, it's okay. Nobody notices that. Nobody's able to notice that. So it's okay to make these kind of mistakes if they're not affecting the final game experience. Alright? So yeah. This, as a professional programmer, this is not acceptable. So if I was doing this kind of code in my day-to-day work, this won't be acceptable at all. Okay? But for now, but for this game, this is a simple game. It's alright. Okay? Spawn items is this. So I need to set and no. No, I cannot do this. Not in here. Not here. No, this is okay. This is not where I need to do that. I need to do that in here. Set new objective. Whenever we set a new objective, we do that. Or yeah, and then we need to check if completed for the spawn items. So this will be an array and it will be null. Okay, so and we will do second. Assign a type, value type of null as an array. So then it will be a empty array. That should be okay. So if my spawn items dot size is greater than 0, then completed. Okay, so let's check that. What time is it? I still have 20 minutes left. So okay, we have that. Then we will unlock this. Okay, no, yeah, it can be. Oh no! Oh no! I made a big mistake. I made a really big mistake. Yeah, look for this. So yeah, so now I click that. Okay. No, okay. It's alright. Let me check if there is any error here. It's okay. Okay, that's not okay. This is not okay. Okay, I will check if we can see if the signal is connected. Yeah, just ignore that for now. Okay, so I cannot click on that and click on that. Okay, yeah, just need to search. Right. So let's unlock the cookie. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so let's click on that. And yes, there is still a macaron. Click on that. And that's crap. Because I made another mistake, okay? I'm sure I made another mistake. And it's here. So, I don't know. For sure, I made another mistake in here. Because I need to not send that in there. And I need to get on the select item to spawn. No, select new objective. Here, I need to send the current spawn items in there. Was it there? Set new objective. Yeah, spawn items. So yeah, set new objective. Yeah, spawn items. Alright. So now should be working. Let's go again with this. So yeah, I cannot do that. Okay. So yeah, I done that. Okay. Yeah, this for the input event I need to take that, but for now it's okay. So yeah, so let's do that. So that's is okay. Let's create another, and let's create a cookie or something. Okay, there. So I tap on this. It's still present. I tap on this. Okay, this is not present. Alright. Tap on this, and I turn back around. I just want multiple of them because I am playing. I want to have the donut. So, well, I could just do that. So yeah, okay. Let me get to the donut. So let's put that. Okay, so now I take the donut. There's a brownie there. I take that. Okay, I took that. Okay, I took that. Okay, and I took that. Not okay. Bye. Wait. Wait. Let's just remove this condition. Because an empty is also correct. That's okay. That's okay, alright. That's okay also. Oh, okay. Now that's not work. That's working as intended. Okay, this is getting somewhere, huh? So just one, and this is still not. So I have to add that also. Spawn items is and right. The rest of it. What about that? So and is an empty array. If nothing, it's one. So then I need to go for a check completed by spawn items. Yeah. And also let's go back to the game because we need to send the current spawn items. Okay, let's see. Oh, something is bad. Okay, because it's not there. It is here. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. We can. We can. Sure we can. Yeah? Let's create a cookie. Thank you. Why? Why? Hmm. Why you know? Okay, so let me remove this. Let me remove that. Print dollar no percentage s checking if completed current spawn items are print gonna spawn pixels. So let's check for that. Oh, yeah. No. Percentage name. So there's only a strawberry. And now there are two strawberries, right? Yeah, two strawberries. Um, it should be a macaron and a strawberry. Macaron and strawberry. Okay. Now I click, and there we have a macaron. Oh yeah, of course. Because we are sending that before removing. This is a okay. This is a this is a different. So I don't need to do that in here. I need to put that in there. Also, I don't need the uncompleted objectives anymore. I think. Oh no, no. Oh, is that cool? Yeah. It's I don't know what I was thinking. Then we also need to do an update objectives. Because we need to remove the item we are removing before sending that to the objective. Yeah, okay, no, do that. I need to do this. And yeah, we have a strawberry. And now we have two strawberries. And that's alright. And now we have a macaron and a strawberry. Yeah. And what else? We click on this. We just have a strawberry. Yeah. But that's okay. So let's unlock a couple of that, and more cookies, and that, and maybe there's more. Yeah. So click on here. Okay, click on here. Okay. Let's check. Let's create a lot of items here. Because we are needing to go until yeah. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. A wish. And a wish. And let's do that. And that. And just that. No, that. No, that. Don't go there. Okay, another one. Just go there. Come on. Put it on. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Yes. Okay. So yeah. And I can click on this. Yes, everything is working. Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Everything is okay. Nice. All right. All right. So we can have now a way to keep going and going and going. All right. Yeah. So, yeah, this is no more like a game, isn't it? Yes. Well, if you don't think so, it's okay also. Huh? By the way, if you look at this, so who is here right now? Don't be shy. You can speak. You can tell me if you like this, what you're saying, or not. And if you are watching this on YouTube, please tell me what you think about this. I would love to know what's your opinion with that. What's your view of the game? You like it? Are you liking it? Did you play it? You can play that on itch.io. You have the link in the description. So, okay, so what can I do here? That and that and that. And that's okay, but that's not okay because now I don't have a way to get this second objective. So, yeah, this is working as intended. It's very working as intended. So much so that it's getting more and more difficult to go through everything. So yeah, but I can clean the play area. But oh, this is nice. This is really nice. So yeah, it is working as intended. So this thing, well, it's not finished because I need to check if the signal is already connected. I'm sure there will be something in there. So Godot check if signal already connected. Let's take a look at the method there. So it's connected here. So yeah, seems there is a way. And why did you reset? No, 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 no. You can reset it. So yeah, what item? I think it was the input event. If not, self dot input event dot is connected. Do I need to? Okay, so on input event, then connect. So let's check for this. Okay, group in tab, so there shouldn't be any more errors. So that's perfect. Okay, so let's compile that to release. Hey, stop it. Let's compile that and update that to pitch.io. So yeah, you will have in a couple of minutes a new version of the Android demo and also the playable on browser game with the objective completion done. So let's check our checklist. And this is more like it's near to be a game design document, but power ups still not yet done. Work in progress, yes. Objectives done, and everything here is done. Everything here it is done. Okay, so I can be way there. So for now, this is done. This here, it is done. Yeah, so that's done. Power apps. Next. This will be next. And okay, let me remove this because I need to add a new. Oh, now we need sound effects. Okay, I really need to write sound effects. We need to start doing this also. But yeah, that's it. So now I will finish the stream here. I will compile everything. Well, let me start compiling already. So let's go. So I'm really out of time right now, but let's give it 5 minutes. It'll give me 5 more minutes to compile that to Android and to compile that in also in the HTML. So the manage export templates. Okay, we need a new template. So yeah, download and install because I haven't installed. I haven't compiled it since I upgraded to Godot 4.6, and I did that like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I know, yeah, I know. No, I think I can remove the older versions because I won't be using these old versions anymore, at least not on my tablet. So yeah, and well, I think this is going to take some time, so I won't bother you. Okay, and now it's going faster. All right, all right, all right, Below. All right. I'll wait. I'll wait. Yeah, you don't want me to wait. I know. I know you don't want me to wait. Yes, you need to wait a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay? Just a little bit. So, next we should go to arcade. Yes, it's time, but right now I'm So she usually goes to her grades at 8 o'clock, past 8, and right now she is telling me that she wants to go to her grades. So yeah, so let's try to export that. So I think we can already export the project. I think so. Yeah. So let's export the project. Let's save that. That's okay. So let's see if it's creating it correctly. And I will export that also to the WebGL version. So yeah, I want to update. Yes, analyze it. Everything is okay. I don't need permission. I won't do anything to your device. So let's open the game. Let's see if it works. And it seems to be working. Yeah, yeah, it works. Really works. So, yeah. Okay, so as I said, this is working perfect. So yeah, that's okay. So let's go back and exit the game and export that also to be able to be run from the browser. And that's it. So we already have everything set. And just give me, well, if you're watching on YouTube, you already have that available. So go to resbalancstudios.h.io. You have the link in the description if you are watching this on YouTube, or you have that in the stream title if you're watching this live on Twitch. So yeah. So for you YouTube viewers, please give me a chance and check me on Twitch when I'm live. Maybe you can yes get some insights and interact with me while I am developing. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope to be able to stream next Wednesday. So yeah, see you in a week, same time, same day. Bye bye.